Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany Fairytale Fortress. A historical landmark doesn't have to be ons old. Sometimes it just has to look that way. Perched atop a hill in Bavaria, Neuschwanstein Castle is the epitome of romantic architecture. Constructed in the 1800s, it served as an inspiration for Disney's Cinderella Castle, which is one reason it's become set in our collective imaginations as the classic fairy tale castle. It was the creative vision of the eccentric King Ludwig of Bavaria, who wanted to create a fantasy version of a medieval castle. Its breathtaking turrets, spires, and stunning surroundings make it a story come to life, and its impact on popular culture solidifies its status as a cultural icon and makes it one of the most unique historical places of the world.